to divide polynomials using long division. So let's try to divide this polynomial. X squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. Okay. So, in dividing polynomials using long division, the first thing that you are going to do is divide the first term of your dividend to the first term of your divisor. So, let's try to do it in another piece of paper. So, if we are going to divide x squared by x, our answer for that is, of course, copy the base x, then subtract the exponents. So, we have 1. Or therefore, we have an answer which is equal to x. Yung x na yon, ilalagay nyo siya dun sa itaas ng term na kung saan mayroon tayong x. Okay? Although sa ibang books, may makikita kayo nakalagay sa tapat ng x square. Tuturuan ko kayo ng shortcut para medyo madali kayo. Dun yung ilalagay sa tapat ng x. Okay? So, halimbawa, 4x to, dun sa tapat yung x na sagot natin. Then, after that, kapag nakapaglagay ka na ng sagot doon, ang gagawin mo next is multiply. Yung x dito, imo-multiply mo sa x plus 2. So, paisa-isa tayo. X times x, our answer for that is x squared. Ayan. So, kadalasan yung ating first term dito nagkakapareho. Okay? Then, x multiplied by positive 2. Take note, kasama yung sign ha. X times positive 2, our answer is positive 2x. Okay? After that, you are going to subtract. Huwag ka munang gagawa ng iba, walang bring down muna. Basta ganyan muna, subtract muna. And then, before you subtract, make sure that you will follow the rules on subtraction. You are going to change the sign of your subtrahend. Okay? So, I will repeat. Before you do something, before you subtract, make sure na magpapalit muna kayo ng sign. So, yung positive x squared will become negative x squared. Then, positive 2x will become negative 2x. And kanina, tayo ay nagsusubtract, ngayon naman tayo ay mag-a-add. Okay? Kasi yung minus kanina, mapapalitan niya ng subtraction o ng addition. Okay? So, I will repeat. So, nagpalit tayo ng sign ng subtrahend, then yung ating minus will be addition now. Yun ang ating rule sa ating subtraction of integers. Di po ba? Nalala po ba yon? So, now we are adding polynomials. So, here, we will add x squared and negative x squared. Our answer for that is 0. Huwag mo nang ilagay yung 0. And then focus tayo sa next terms. Positive 4 and negative 2. Our answer for that is positive 2. Okay? Then just bring down x. I will repeat. So positive 4 and negative 2. Your answer is positive 2. Then bring down x. Or in short, yung 4x at 2x, ang sagot natin doon ay 2x. Okay? So, kung ganun ang signs nila. Then, before you divide, dahil meron ka nang nandito, pwede ka nang mag-divide doon, pero wag muna hanggat hindi ka pa nagbi-bring down. Okay? Bring down natin yung next term, which is positive. Ayan, positive 4. Ayan. So, nagkaroon po tayo ngayon ng isa pang binomial na naman. Okay. Yung buong 2x plus 4 na yan, i-divide natin sa x plus 2. Pero paano nga ba ang pag-divide uli ng ating terms? Ang unang gagawin natin is first term. What is the first term now? We have 2x. Sumahan tayo ditong 2x. I-divide natin yan sa first term ng ating dividend. So, we have here x. If you are going to divide this 2, pwede mo lang i-apply yung cancellation. Pareho lang yan. Ang natira ay 2 or that is understood positive 2. So, kapag nilagay mo yung 2 dito sa taas, take note, dito natin ilalagay yung sagot ha. Okay, sa taas ng 4. So, ngayon, wala siyang sign. Dapat talaga mayroong sign yan. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng positive. Kasi po, positive yung ating 2. I hope you got it. Ulitin ko. Sa tapat ng binring down, doon nyo po ilalagay yung sagot. At kapag wala pong sign, lalagay nyo po ng sign. At understood, yun ay positive 2. So therefore, we have here plus 2. Then katulad nung ginawa natin sa x kanina, nung naglagay tayo sa gawing itaas na ito, we are going to do or repeat the process. Imo-multiply natin yung 2 sa x plus 2. Okay, let's do it now. Positive 2 multiplied by x. Our answer is positive 2x. Okay, madali lang, di ba? Then positive 2 multiplied by positive 2. Our answer for that is positive 4. O, ganun lang pala kadali. After that, you can now subtract. Okay? At kapag nagsusubtract tayo, magpapalit tayo ng sign katulad ng ginawa kanina. But this time, hindi na tayo magpapalit ng sign kasi parehong-pareho yung ating minaminus o sinusubtract. So, yung 2x plus 4, pag binawasan man 2x plus 4, automatically ang sagot natin dyan ay 0. Okay? So, we are done at pwede mo nang lagyan to ng smiley face kung gusto mo. That is 0, ha? Okay, and that is the remainder. Wala po tayong remainder. And our answer or the quotient for this is x plus 2. Yan na po yung ating answer. I hope you get it. Okay. How are we going to divide x squared minus 4x minus 4 by x plus 1? First, we are going to divide our first term in the dividend by the first term in our divisor. So here we have x squared on the dividend. Then on our divisor, the first term is x. So our answer, if we are going to divide this, we have x raised to 1 or x. Tandaan, subtract the exponents, ha? Okay, so yung x natin, ilalagay natin sa tapat ng negative 4x. At kapag nakapaglagay tayo ng sagot doon, ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin doon sa divisor. So, x multiply by x plus 1. Isa-isahin lang natin. X times x. Ang sagot natin, x squared. Kadalasan, sabi ko kayo na pare-pareho lang tong first term. Then, x multiply by positive 1. The answer for that is positive 1x. Okay? After that, so subtract na tayo. And then, in subtraction of polynomials, tatandaan natin, we are always changing the signs. So, therefore, yung ating positive 1x na yan ay magiging negative 1x. Tapos, yung positive x squared na to ay magiging negative x squared. Okay? Tandaan, positive siya kayo na nung wala siyang sign na. Understood? Positive yon. And then, yung minus sign will become plus sign now. Okay? So, we are always going to addition pag tayo ay nagsusubtract. So, now, kadalasan yung ating first term dyan, 0. And then, focus na lang kayo sa next, negative 4 and negative 1. May 1 po dito, ha? Huwag kalimutan yon. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay negative 5. Then, bring down x. Okay? So, wag muna tayong sasagot dito sa taas hanggat wala pa tayo na i-bring down. So, therefore, ang susunod na gagawin natin, bring down negative 4 tayo. And then, pwede na tayong sumagot sa taas ngayon. So, ang gagawin uli natin, first term, in our dividend now, ito yung dividend natin. This is negative 5x. I-divide natin dun sa first term ng ating divisor, which is x. And this will be cancelled now, yung x natin. Matitira doon negative 5. Yung negative 5, yun yung ating ilalagay sa gawing itaas dito sa tapat ng negative 4. So, negative 5 yung nakuha nating sagot kanina. And then, multiply na naman tayo sa x plus 1. So, negative 5 times x, we have negative 5x. And then, negative 5 times positive 1, the answer for that is negative 5. Okay? Then, we will subtract again. At kapag nagsusubtract tayo, ano yung sinabi ko kanina at lagi kong sinasabi pag nagsusubtract? Don't forget to change the sign first. Okay? Bago ka gawa ng anuman. So, yung negative 5 will become positive 5. Negative 5x will become positive 5x now. And lahat ng subtraction will proceed to addition. Okay? And then, continue now. You are going to add. Kadalasan sabi ko, nagiging 0 yung ating first term. So, ang focus na lang natin ngayon ay yung ating next term. So, negative 4 and positive 5 to ngayon. Negative 4 and positive 5, the answer for that is positive 1. Very good. So, yung positive 1 na yon ay yung ating remainder. Okay. So, pag mayroon tayong remainder, ang paglalagay ng remainder, maglalagay tayo dito sa taas, yung x minus 5. Dudugtungan natin ngayon ng plus the remainder, fraction tayo. Remainder sa taas, divisor sa ilalim. Ano po ba yung ating remainder? We have 1. At dun sa ating divisor, yung original divisor natin, which is x plus 1, ilalagay po natin siya ngayon dito. So, therefore, our answer for that is x minus 5 plus 1 over x plus 1. This is our final answer for that problem. I hope you got it. Okay, this time we will divide these two polynomials. Negative x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Of course, the first thing that we are going to do, divide your first term on your dividend by the first term on your divisor. So, we have now negative x cubed divided by x. Our answer for that is negative x squared. Tandaan po natin, pag magkaiba ng sign, ang sagot natin negative, then copy the base x, subtract the exponents. So, 3 minus 1, we have 2. Okay? So, now, yung negative x squared na yan, ilalagay natin sa tapat ng x squared sa ating dividend. So, maglalagay po tayo dito ng negative x squared. Okay? Tandaan po yon. Then, after that, kapag mayroon ka pong sagot dyan, ang susunod na gagawin natin is multiply doon sa divisor. So, tandaan natin, negative x squared to, multiply by x minus 1, at gawin natin yon pa isa-isa muna. Okay, negative x squared, multiply by x, our answer is negative x cubed. Okay. Mapapansin nyo, lagi nagkakapareho yung ating first term. Kasi pag hindi sila nagkapareho, may problema dun sa sagot mo sa taas na yon. Okay, so inulit ko, lagi pong pareho yung sagot natin dito sa unahan. Ganun lagi sa simula ng ating division. Okay, then negative x squared multiplied by negative 1. Of course, our answer for that is positive. Pareho kasi ng sign, di ba? So, x squared and 1, our answer for that is 1x squared or x squared. Okay? Then, mayroon po tayong binomial dyan. After that, we are going to subtract. Okay? So, magsusubtract tayo dito. At kapag magsusubtract tayo ng polynomials, tandaan natin, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. So, therefore, yung ating positive x will become negative x na ngayon. Negative x squared na. And then, yung negative x cubed will become positive x cubed. And, of course, yung minus sign will become now plus sign. Okay? So, ganun po ang lagi nyo pong tatandaan pag tayo ay nagsusubtract. Okay? And then, after that, we are going to add the terms. Okay? Yung magkatapat na yan. So, negative x squared, negative x cubed, positive x cubed, 0 po yon. So, kadalasan wala na po na ilalagay dyan. Then, negative 3, negative 1, may 1 po dito sa unahan ng x squared. So, negative 3, negative 1, the answer for that is negative 4. Okay, I hope you got it. And then, just bring down the literal coefficient x squared. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple. Bring down lang po, ha? Okay, and then, ang susunod na gagawin natin dito, bring down natin yung next term. Bring down positive 5x. Kasi sa tapat ng positive 5x, maglalagay tayo ng answer later. Okay, yun pala yun. Okay, how are we going to continue now? First, uulitin lang natin yung ginawa natin kanina. Yung first term natin ngayon is negative 4x squared. Okay, so dito tayo, negative 4x squared. Tapos, i-divide natin yan dun sa first term uli ng ating divisor. So, divided by x. Okay po, ganyan yung ating kalalabasan yan. So, we now have negative dahil magkaiba ng sign. And then, 4 divided by 1, our answer is 4. Ayan po. Then, x squared at saka x, ang sagot natin dyan ay x raised to 1. So, ang sagot natin doon, negative 4x. Ilalagay po natin yung answer natin sa tapat po ng 5x. Ayan. Kung ano yung binring down natin, doon natin ilalagay yung sagot. So, negative 4x. Okay po. So, after that, ang gagawin na natin ay magmo-multiply na naman tayo. Okay? So, negative 4x multiply by x. Ang sagot natin, negative 4x squared. O, di ba nagkapareho na naman? Okay, ganun talaga yon. Then, negative 4x again. Buo yan ha, negative 4x. Imo-multiply natin sa negative 1, kasama yung negative. So, the answer for that is positive 4x. Okay? So, then, do or repeat the process. Kapag may nagkatapat na, ang gagawin natin, magsusubtract and then change the sign of the subtrahend again. Okay? So, from positive 4x, it will become negative 4x. Yung negative 4x squared will become positive 4x squared. O, di ba madali lang? At yung minus sign will now go to plus sign. Okay. So, and kadalasan, ang first term na magkatapat, 0 yan. Okay. Then, positive 5x, negative 4x. Negative na ha, negative 4x. Ang sagot natin, positive 1x. Okay. Kasi magkaiba silang sign. And then, bring down 1 or negative 1. Ayan. So, after you bring down negative 1, nagkaroon tayo ng x minus 1, then i-divide natin again yung first term sa first term. Actually, pwede mo naman na i-diretso to x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 kasi po pareho sila. Ang sagot mo doon positive 1. Pero para masanay tayo, katulad ng kaninang ginawa natin, first term, divide mo sa first term. Okay? So, how is that? First term dito ngayon is x. I-divide natin sa first term sa divisor, which is equal to x. Same lang sila. Pag pareho, maka-cancel yan. Of course, ang sagot natin ay 1. At yung 1 na ilalagay natin sa tapat ng binring down natin. Mayroon po siyang sign, syempre. Hindi pwedeng walang sign sa pagitan ng dalawang terms, ha? Okay? So, yun ay positive, kaya maglalagay tayo dito ng plus. Okay? Then, 1 or positive 1 multiplied by x, ang sagot natin ay x. Then, positive 1 times negative 1, ang sagot ay 1. Pwede na diretso mo na, 1 times x minus 1, ang sagot mo x minus 1. Then, subtract. Dito, hindi pwedeng wag ka nang magpalit ng sign dito dahil sa pareho naman ang x minus 1 at x minus 1. Pag sinubtract mo yung parehong yan, ang sagot natin ay 0. So, therefore, our answer or the quotient is negative x squared minus 4x plus 1. This will be our final answer. This time, how are we going to divide polynomials using synthetic division? Okay? So, gamitin lang natin yung ating problem kanina. We have this one. Ito yung ginamit natin kayo sa long division. X squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. Okay? Ipapakita ko naman sa inyong solution ngayon ay sa pamamagitan ng paggamit natin ng synthetic division. Okay? Paano ba yung sinatawag na synthetic division? So, ang gagawin natin, ganito. Okay? So, kunin natin yung problem natin, x squared plus 4x plus 4. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng mga numbers. Kukunin natin yung numerical coefficient ng ating dividend. So, mayroon tayo ditong sa x squared, we have 1. Then, sa ating 4x, o sa ating x, we have our 4. And then, sa ating constant term, we have positive 4. I will repeat. Kung mapapansin nyo, mayroon tayong tatlong terms sa ating dividend. At yun po yung ating 1, 4, and 4. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dyan ngayon? We are going to have this one. Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung para sa x square. Okay? Tapos ito naman yung para sa ating x. At ito naman yung ating constant term. Okay? So, make sure kapag gagawa kayo ng scientific division o gagamit kayo ng scientific division na ang inyong mga polynomials or expression ay nakaayos in descending powers. Okay? Katulad ng descending powers of x, mula sa x squared, susundan ng x raised to 1, susundan ng x raised to 0 or our constant term. Again, dapat po kompleto sila ng descending powers of that variable. Okay? So, yan yung sa ating dividend. Punta naman tayo sa ating divisor. Sa ating divisor, ang kukunin lang naman natin doon, yung ating constant term. So, from positive 2, take note ha. Okay, ito yung ating divisor kanina, x plus 2. Ang gagawin natin dyan, yung positive 2 na yan, ay gagawin natin na negative 2. Okay, ganun lang kadali yon. So, maglalagay tayo ng box dito sa gawing gilid. Okay? Pwede, yung iba nasa gawing kanan, pero ako ilalagay ko lang dito sa gawing gilid. So, again, yung positive 2 kanina, magiging negative 2 nasa loob ng box. Okay? So, yun yung ating divisor. I will repeat. Una, ayusin natin yung ating dividend in descending powers. Kukunin natin yung kanyang numerical coefficient hanggang sa mapunta yung nasa last term or constant term sa dulo. Tapos, pagdating naman sa loob ng box, ilalagay natin yung opposite ng ating sign doon sa ating divisor. Opposite ng constant term sa ating divisor. So, after that, nakaayos na yan ng ganyan. Mag-skip tayo ng isang line dito na paglalagyan natin ang sagot mamaya, maglalagay tayo ngayon ng equal sign or horizontal line. Okay? Then, ang unang gagawin natin, bring down the first number. Again, bring down the first number, which is 1. Then, multiply that here by the divisor. Yung nasa loob ng box, 1 times negative 2, our answer is negative 2. Then, simply add 4 plus negative 2, our answer is positive 2. Then, lahat ng lang dito, minomultiply doon. So, yung positive 2, i-multiply mo sa negative 2. Ang sagot dyan, negative 4. And, i-add na naman natin, na ulit yung process. Basta nagtapat, tatandaan, i-add yan. Once you add these two numbers, you will get 0. At kung ano po yung nandito sa pinakadulo na ito, yun po yung ating magiging remainder. I will repeat, yung nandito sa dulong to, yun po yung ating magiging remainder. So therefore, ang kukunin lang muna natin ngayon, yung 1 and 2. Paano yan? Yung 1, saka yung 2. Okay? Yung 2, yun yung ating last term na wala nang kasamang letter or x. Okay? Yun yung ating constant term ngayon. So, ito yung ating constant term. Ano ba yung susunod sa constant term? Hindi ba x raised to 1? So, maglalagay tayo dito ng x sa unahan. Okay? Kaya ang mangyari dyan, ulitin ko, dito sa dulo, constant term tayo ha. And then yung susunod, pakaliwa tayo, pakaliwa. Okay? So, that is now x. Kaya pag sinulat natin yan, yung 1 natin, may kasama siyang x1x. Tapos yung 2 natin, ano yung sign niya? Positive siya, kaya maglalagay tayo dito ng positive 2. At yan pong x plus 2 ang ating quotient pag dinivide natin yung ating mga polynomials. Okay? Kaya ang mapapansin nyo, kapareho yan ng ating sagot sa long division kanina. I hope you got it. Okay, this time, how are we going to divide polynomials or these two polynomials using synthetic division? So, ito pa rin yung gagamitin nating problem and then we are going to compare our answers later. So, we have the dividend x squared minus 4x minus 4 divided by x plus 1. So, paano natin isosolve to using synthetic division? Ang una mo natin titignan ay siguraduhin natin na ang ating dividend ay arranged in descending powers of x. Okay? So, that's why we are going to check this one, x squared, then x raised to 1, and then x raised to 0. So, okay na siya. So, kukunin na lang natin yung numerical coefficient para sa x squared. Meron tayong positive 1. So, maglalagay na po tayo dito ng positive 1. Ayan. Then, para sa ating x, sa x natin, meron tayong negative 4. Tapos, sa ating x raised to 0 or constant term, meron tayong negative 4. So, yun yung ating first line. Then, sa ating divisor, meron tayong x plus 1 dito. So, kukunin natin yung opposite ng positive 1 o ng constant term. Opposite of that is negative 1. Very good. Okay, yung negative 1 na yun, yung ilalagay natin sa loob ng box. Okay, we have here negative 1. Okay, pag nailagay na po yan, then pwede na po tayong gawa ng horizontal line dito na equal sign. Na kung saan pwede tayong mag-bring down na ngayon ng ating first number, which is 1. Handaan, lagi naka-bring down yung una. And then, lahat po ng land dito sa third row na ito ay imomultiply po natin doon. Maliban na lang yung last number. Okay, 1 times negative 1. The answer is negative 1. Tandaan, hindi na po natin lalagyan yung na-bring down ha. Sa tapat ng 1 kanina, hindi wala na pong ilalagay na numbers dyan. Then, again, 1 times negative 1. The answer is negative 1. Then, add. Basta pag nagtapat, i-add lang po natin. So, negative 4 plus negative 1, the answer is negative 5. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple. Then, pag tumapat dito, multiply na naman doon. Negative 5 times negative 1 is equal to positive 5 or 5. At kapag nagtapat na naman ng ganyan, ang gagawin natin is add. Very good. So, i-add lang natin yan. Ang sagot natin ay 1. So, kung mapapansin natin, nagkaroon po tayo ng huling number which is not 0. Ang ibig sabihin yan, meron tayo ditong remainder. Okay. So, kung meron tayong remainder dyan, ano mangyari ngayon kung may remainder tayo? So, ito ay hindi na po natin sasama mamaya sa ating first part. Pero may lalagay yan mamaya sa remainder. So, kukunin muna natin yung number going to the left. Okay. So, pakaliwa tayo ha. Yung negative 5 na yan, yan yung ating maging constant term ng ating final answer. So, siya po yung walang kasamang x. Okay? O kaya siya yung x raised to 0. Susunod dyan ay yung x raised to 1. Tandaan, pakaliwa tayo. Okay? Going to the left. So, x raised to 1. At kung may number pa dito, x squared naman ang kanyang coefficient or literal coefficient. So, ulitin ko, ang unang number sa kaliwa ng remainder ay yung ating x raised to 0 at kukunin natin siya as the constant term ng ating final answer. So, negative 5 ang constant term ng ating final answer. Ayan po. And then, ang susunod doon, yung x raised to 1, pwede ka maglagay ng x raised to 1 dito. Tanggalin mo na yung 1 na exponent. And then, yung 1 na numerical coefficient, pwedeng ilagay, pwedeng wag na. Mas maganda po, wag nang ilagay. Okay, so mayroon na tayo ditong x raised to 1 or 1x raised to 1 or x minus 5, and then yung huli, yun ang ating remainder. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng plus, plus fraction, wherein sa numerator, andun ang ating remainder, which is 1, at ang ating divisor ay yung divisor ng ating original problem. Very good. So, ang ilalagay natin sa doon ay x plus 1 dahil yun po ang divisor ng ating original problem. So, therefore, our answer for this is x minus 5 plus 1 over x plus 1. At yan po yung ating final answer, which is the same with... Okay, this time, we are going to solve this problem. Negative x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 using divided by x minus 1 using synthetic division. And then we are going to compare also our answers with the answers we have here. Okay? So, ang unang gagawin dyan, make sure na naka-arrange yung ating exponent, yung ating dividend in descending powers of x. Ibig sabihin nun, papaliit o papababa yung ating exponent ng x. Okay? Katulad nyan, x cubed, x squared, x raised to 1, and then x raised to 0 or constant term. Ibig sabihin, okay na siya. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay kukunin na lang natin yung ating mga numerical coefficient. Okay? So, sa ating x cubed, mayroon tayong negative 1. Okay? Maglalagay tayo ng negative 1 dito. Then, sa ating x squared, mayroon tayong negative 3. That is negative 3. And then, after that, sa ating x raised to 1, mayroon tayong positive 5. So, lagay natin positive 5 dito. Okay, and then sa ating constant term or x raised to 0, we have negative 1. So, nagawa na natin yung ating first line sa dividend. Punta tayo sa divisor natin, sa box na maliit dito, sa gawing part na yan. Kukunin natin yung opposite sign ng ating negative 1. So, this is x minus 1. Yung negative 1 dyan ay magiging positive 1. Okay, di ba madali lang? I hope you got it. So, now, let's proceed to the next one. Gagawa na tayo dito ng horizontal line para sa ating equal sign. At ang una nating gagawin is bring down our first number. Tandaan nyo na, bring down the first number and multiply agad ang next. Okay? Negative 1 times positive 1, our answer is negative 1. Okay? At pag nagkatapat, anong gagawin? Very good. I-add lang natin yan. Kaya ang sagot natin, negative 4. Pag mayroon uli dito, i-multiply uli doon. Ang sagot dyan, negative 4. And then, i-add na naman natin yung nagkatapat ng vertical. Ang sagot dyan ay positive 1. And then, 1 times 1, or parehong positive, kaya ang sagot natin positive. And then, if we are going to add these two numbers, our answer is 0. And then, that is the time that we can say, wala po tayong remainder dito. So, dahil ang huli ay 0, ibig sabihin yan, ang remainder natin dyan ay 0. So, what will be our answer here? Mula po dun sa una, sa katabi ng 0, which is 1. Kukunin natin yung 1 na yon. And that will be the constant term of our final answer. Take note, yung katabi ng last number na to, going to the left, will always be our constant term for our final answer. And then yung susunod naman na number, may kasama ng x raised to 1. Susunod naman ay x raised to 2 or x squared. At kung mayroon pa dito, x cubed, x to the 4th naman. Okay, going to the left lagi ha. Okay, so we have 1, ang huli. Then susunod doon ay 4 or negative 4. May kasama siyang x. Okay, and then yung ating nasa unahan ay negative 1 na may kasamang x squared. Okay? So, that's why we have negative x squared minus 4x. Oops! Wala po tayong sign sa pagitan ng 4x saka ng 1. So, maglalagay tayo ng sign ng 1, which is positive. Kaya maglalagay tayo dito ng plus 1. So, if we are going to read this, negative x squared minus 4x plus 1, this will be our final answer if we will divide the two polynomials. Let's check if we have the same answers on our long division. So, ito po siya, negative x squared minus 4x plus 1. Same po yung ating sagot sa synthetic division. O, di ba madali lang? Okay. So, I hope you got it. Pwede rin naman, ang gawin nyo ganito. Pag nakuha nyo na yung negative 1, negative 4, saka positive 1 na yan, ang gawin nyo is, ilagay mo na agad yung negative. Then, yung 1 di na ilalagay. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, pupunta tayo sa ating original problem. Ito, x cube ang nauuna. Babawasan po natin yan ng isa. Ulitin ko, yung x cube, babawasan ng isa maging siyang x squared, di ba? So, yun ang unang term mo sa yung final answer. So, we have negative 1 x squared, tapos minus 4, anong susunod sa x squared? X raised to 1, tapos yung 1, positive 1 na siya din sa dulo. Okay? Katulad ng mga ginawa natin sa ibang mga problems natin. Okay? I hope you got it. That's all for dividing polynomials. It's up to you which method are you going to use in dividing polynomials. You may use the long division or you may use the synthetic division. So that's all for today. Keep safe everyone. Bye-bye.